In the preceding two videos, we saw a couple of statements of the form that you see here in the third column. We did total gets total plus number in those preceding videos. But anytime you have expressions like the ones that you're seeing in this third column, you can use the augmented assignment capabilities of Python to implement those statements in a more concise manner. So anytime I do the variable on the left and the right side of the assignment and use addition, I can instead use plus equals. Similarly, for subtraction, I can use minus equals, and for each of the different arithmetic operators, there is a corresponding augmented assignment expression. So if you'd like, you can plug in the values that you see here in the top of the table and see what the results of these different expressions are, which we talked about over here in the right hand column. But let's go ahead and use one of these in an actual IPython session so that we can just see it in action. So let's once again total up a bunch of integer values in a list. So I'll start by setting total to 0, and for each of the numbers in the list, let's just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for simplicity here. For each of the numbers in this list of integers, let's add to total the value of number. So this is still doing the same thing that total gets total plus number did. The difference is that when number is added to the total, the value is then automatically used to update the variable total in this shortened statement. So this is the same plus equals operator that many of you will be familiar with from some other programming languages. So let's execute that and simply evaluate the total so that we can see that the value is 15, which is the sum of the numbers from 1 through 5.